So, can you make money with a binary option robot that trade at pocket option automatically for you? In this video, we'll find out. So, but before we get to that, good news. I did finally make a binary option robot that can trade automatically at pocket option. And this robot is following all my rules for trading. I did add it here to this site. You find link below the video if you want to get started for free with this binary option robot at pocket option. So, but before we get to that, I'll now just show this site. We are recently been approved at Chrome Store, so you can get it very easily now. I made a video about this yesterday also. Then you needed to install everything manually. Now basically you can do it automatically through Chrome Store. I did just upload a new version in Chrome Store that is waiting to be approved also. So, but this I will do probably many times a week. So always I will update you with this video. So with that information, before we get to the trading part, I'll tell this also. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn the bell notification on, because then I will update you with news about the robot, how it's working, what I have changed it, and things like this. You can think, do I need to update the new version? It's quite easily, but for now, yes, the update I did now is a big update, so will probably be approved a little later today, but it's working. But yeah, make sure that you always do the updates when they come, because I had a version 1, now it's like 2.1. It's a big update I did. So this is things that you will see little by little, and I will update. So then this robot for me, I will treat as a business. So I will make it better and better and better, because all the time when I'm trading with it, I will figure out why he lost the trade. I will then try to fix it so he do next time be a little better. So he's learning on it. Okay. So by now, I hope you have pushed the subscribe button. I hope you have pushed the bell notification. And also, if you have any question, put them in the comments below, okay? So now let's take a look at this page before we go and open the robot. So it's very easy to get the robot. You come to this page, like you find the link below the video. You can read through this if you want to, but you can just push here, install extension. You push here, then you will throw down here. Then what you need to do for use this robot is for free, but you will need to use my affiliate link, because then I make a small, for every single trade you do, I make a small kickback. So just make sure. And so on top of that, you get a 50% bonus when you deposit. So why not? So if you have an account from before, just withdraw your money, close down the account, and then reopen. Okay. I will test this robot later, but it will be tested on the demo account, because I do have a real account also. I had some problem to log into it. I have sent for the support, so I will get information later. But for now, we will use it on a demo account. It will be the same thing, but you can see how it works. Okay. So then you just push install here. Then you will come to Chrome Store. You can then just push to add to your Chrome Store, and then you have it and you are live. You can start to trade with the robot. When you make a deposit, basically automatically the robot will see your information and you can use it. It's pretty darn easy. So you just use this link and automatically the robot will recognize that you have made a deposit. So no need to talk with me anything. But if you have any problems, just contact me. Just put a comment below or whatever. Contact me on Telegram if you have me there. I help you, of course. No worries. So now let's go to the robot and I'll show you how it's trading. So let's, I just need to push here to there. Okay, now we're here in my demo account. Let's bring up the robot. Let's choose another pair. Let's you can choose any OTC pair. He only trade OTC, okay? So let's take Australian dollar against Canadian dollar. Let's choose that one, and we go here. and let's take a $1 trade this time. And we can start the robot just like this. Now let's see. Now he's collecting information about the chart. He's adding the indicators and everything, so he can start trading. So you see here, collecting data. This sometimes can take up to a minute, or sometimes it's much faster. Like now you see he was super fast and he already even take a trade. So now he's in with the first trade. If he loses this trade, he will go in again. Okay. So now we just need to wait 1 minute, and that's how it works. This time, let's, even if I win this trade, let's take one more trade after, just to see how it works. Or if we do Martingale, we let it go till he make a win. So now you see it's 30 seconds. He says here, waiting for results, because he's now reading the result from the trades also. So now we just need to wait. And also here you can keep a track of your profit. So basically now you can just go and sit in the sofa, look some TV show while he's trading for you. How cool is that? With the Martingale you can choose your risk yourself, because of course there can be a crazy market, but I have made the robot different to prevent that. That is, he do not always let me start again now. There. He don't always follow the same direction, because that can be scary. So sometimes he change in between. So if the market go crazy, if he Martingale, he can change it up a little. It's a safety measure. So he did take now trade again. We won the first. Let's see. We are now, if I was on a real account now, for example today, I would have a $4 profit. Now let's see. Now we wait again. Another sell trade. That was a good trade again. And basically the robot will run till you push stop. If you push somewhere, he will say a green button start, but basically he's still running. Is a glitch that is in your browser. So then if you want to stop it, you need to push stop, start and stop. Okay, that's how it is. So now let's see. If we are deep in the money, this will be a win again. So you can see the win rate is pretty darn good, I will say. And yeah, it's no doubts, this will be another win. So when we're done now, I'll push stop when the result come in. So we wait more 5 seconds, and this will be a win, of course. And there we got a win, and now we just wait till it's come up here. And waiting for result, we just wait for that, and there he got a win. Then we push stop. Then you can see, if I was on a real account now, I would have made $5 till now today, just from doing basically nothing. Now as I did push the stop, he will not trade more now. Now he's just waiting for you to push the start button again. So that is how this binary option robot works. I have put a minimum deposit to get this robot, $10. I suggest you to deposit a little more. When you have made a deposit, you will come up like here, will come the ID up here. So then we'll work on that for life, basically. You don't need to worry about it. So that's how it works. I hope you like it. I will make many updates videos like this. I will let the robot trade for maybe like 30 minutes one time, just so you can see how it's trading over a longer period of time. If you want this type of videos, make a comment below also, and I will make longer videos so you can see how it's really trading over a period of time. Okay, so with that, have an amazing day, and I really hope you enjoy. Like I said, make sure you subscribe. You find links below the video. Have an amazing day.